Hi guys, this is Dami again with another edition of the baking business class. Okay, so if you haven't seen the previous ones, you should check the description box below, or you should check the other videos I've posted on this page if you're on Instagram, so you can see the other ones. Okay, so today I'm bringing you 5 reasons why you shouldn't give discounts and why giving discounts hurts your business. Okay, so let's start from the customer's perspective. Yeah, have you ever been speaking to a customer and before they even ask for your price, they already want a discount? You haven't even said what the price is or how much it is, if it's going to be convenient for them or not, but they already want a discount. Okay, so today I'm going to giving you 5 reasons why giving discounts will be bad for your business. Yes. So if you haven't seen my previous videos where I talked about why customers might want discounts, you should check that out before watching this one. Okay, so every customer basically wants the best deal. Basically, we all customers because everybody buys something one time or the other, and everybody wants the best deal. Nobody wants to feel cheated. So I'm sure you guys will agree with me that everybody wants better pricing. Basically, for whatever it is you're buying, you want there to be a better price that suits you. But from a business perspective, it can open up a Pandora box of likely problems for you and for your business, and it can end up putting your business at risk. So today I'm going to be giving you 5 reasons why discounts might hurt your business. Okay, so number 1, yes, it lessens the perceived value of your products. I want you to think about it. Think about it logically. First of all, you said the price was $10. Now, because I'm insisting, you suddenly want to sell it for $8. It means the price is actually $8, not $10, because there's this old saying that says that a product is worth as much as somebody is willing to pay for it. So it means the price is actually $8 if you can take $8 from me and not 10. So it lessens the perceived value of your product. So you might not be helping yourself in the long run. Okay, so number 2, it creates an expectation of future discounts. Yes, think about it. You gave Mr. A a discount the first time he or she ordered a cake from you. The next time he is ordering a cake, of course he wants a discount. He expects you to give him the same discount. And another thing is, when he wants to refer someone to you, tell you, oh, go to this lady, she's going to give you a discount. That is, yeah, I know it sounds good, but that is a very bad position to be in. And it's a bad position to put your business in, because discounting sets a bad precedent that undermines your future opportunities, so you can't really maximize your profits. So number 3, it complicates future business dealings. So imagine, yes, you gave Mr. A a discount, and now he has referred Mrs. B to you, yeah? And then Mrs. B came and she wants a cake, and now you won't give her a discount just because she's not insisting enough on a discount, which is totally unfair, because you gave Mr. A a discount because he insisted, but she has a different personality. She isn't insisting hard enough, so now she doesn't get a discount. Now think about it. You're operating under different price structures, which is not good for your business. Okay, so number 4, and this is very important, it demonstrates a lack of confidence in your own product. Think about it. Initially, you said it was $10. Now, because I said I can't pay $10, I can pay $8. Now, it is suddenly $8. Is it truly worth $10? Was the initial price supposed to be $8 and not $10? What this does to your customers is it makes them question your credibility. Number 1, is this product as good as she says it is? Number 2, can I really trust this person? Is she going to cut corners in making this product for me? So it's not really good for your business at the end of the day. So number 5. Okay, so now because you've cut corners, you've reduced the price, you've given the customer a discount. Now you're trying to look for how to meet your normal profit margin. If you were supposed to use a product that is worth maybe $2 to make the cake, now you're looking to buy a product that is worth like $1.8 just because you want to meet your profit margin, so you won't run at a loss. At the end of the day, it is not the best take for the customer, and at the same time, it is not good for your business because you're reducing the quality of your product. Okay, so guys, in my next class, I'm going to be giving you guys alternatives to giving discounts, which are better alternatives for your customers to keep them happy, and alternatives for you to keep your business running and not mess with your profit margin. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have several other videos for you guys on Instagram, as _cake_me_away, and I have over 120 YouTube videos where you can learn cake decorating and everything that has to do with the cake business, basically, on YouTube as well as Cake Me Away. So thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.